They say that 3D printed luminaires are vulnerable, but Eva and Patrick are here today to see if that statement is true. What do you think? Is it going to break? Look at that!
We use tough materials that can handle heat and force, and that's why it doesn't break or bend.
3D printed luminaires for tailored and sustainable lighting. Patrick owns a store. He wants to redesign a store by replacing this old 3D printed luminaire with a newly designed one. Can he do that without wasting material?
We contribute into the circular economy by recycling luminaires into beautiful new versions.
3D printed luminaires for tailored and sustainable lighting.